is Mohan, who is a postgraduate in MSc Nursing, Psychiatric Nursing, and I am a registered nurse in India. My dream is to go to Canada and to get a nursing license in Canada, that is Canadian nursing registration. Through Kerala Nightingale, I got an opportunity to reach to go out there and to get a nursing council registration, because I don't want to work in any other field apart from nursing. And through Kerala Nightingale, the only licensed company in India who is promoting people, the nurses to Canada to get their nursing registration exam or license in Canada itself. So I'm happy to receive my visa today to go, and I'll be moving to Canada on next February to get my license. That is mandatory for you people to get license to work in Canada. So please consult Kerala Nightingale agency for your movement towards Canada.